The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Now, it's been a while that we've been hearing rumors about the Redmi Note 5. Earlier, we came to know that it will come with a dual camera setup, and then there were rumors that it will come with a single camera setup. And then the Redmi 5 Plus popped up in China, and everybody was talking about the Redmi 5 Plus being rebranded as a Redmi Note 5 for India. And a lot of us were disappointed. Well, sadly, both of them turned out to be true. The Redmi Note 5 is what Xiaomi would like to call it as a replacement of the Redmi Note 4, and that is what we're going to unbox today. This is what we have, the Redmi Note 5. This is the 3GB variant that I've got my hands on. We will go ahead and unbox this particular phone, and we will go ahead and check what all is available inside the box. Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. Let's unbox the brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. So here's the package that arrived this morning. I ordered it yesterday, that is on the 22nd of February, and within 24 hours, without any extra charges or anything else, Xiaomi delivered it to me, and kudos to Xiaomi for that. So I was not able to order it from Flipkart. I ended up ordering it from Xiaomi. Now let's go ahead and cut this off. Alright, so there you have it. That's a brilliant, beautiful box of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, and if you remember, a few days back I was invited by Xiaomi to check out the device in person. If you've still not seen it, here's a card to that. And looking at the back of this particular box, it gives us a glimpse of the specifications. It's a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display. A front selfie light is what we have. So that's all the information on the box. Let's go ahead and unwrap it so that we can see how beautiful the device is. Okay, time to peel off the plastic, and I can clearly see a seal over there. So there are two seals that we have. Let's go ahead and take them off. Now what's surprising here is that it says don't accept if the seal is broken, but both of them are paper seals and they came off relatively easily, and if I try to seal them again, they can be sealed back. So Xiaomi could do better on that. Okay, opening up the box, let's see what we have in the box first. Normally it is the phone, but guess what? It's some sort of a package, and I'm guessing that it's the TPU soft gel case, and I would love other phone manufacturers to follow this trend. So let me just take this case out of the box and let me just show it to you how it is, because the one that I saw at the event, or the official MI store, was a black one, because that particular phone was a black phone. Now this one looks more like it's a transparent. Let's just quickly open it and see. Yeah, that's correct. So this is a clear gel case that we have. Looks of a good quality, should not turn yellow as the cheap ones tend to do. We will see that. Now next up, we don't have a pull tab or something like that to get the phone out of the box, but that's fine. We will just drop it up. Okay, so this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 with a 18:9 display, and from the back it completely looks like a Redmi Note 4, but first impressions, it feels very slim, and the 18:9 display gives it a different look and a solid feel altogether. Further in the box, we have a couple of leaflets, the overview of the device and stuff like that. So we will keep those aside. Now, unsurprisingly, there is a generic or a normal micro USB cable. I would have loved for Xiaomi to go with a USB Type-C, as is the trend in 2018. So next we have the SIM removal tool, which we don't need anymore, and then we have the power brick, or the charger is what we have, and unfortunately we don't have any fast charging support, though the chipset supports it. Device manufacturers don't, which is really sad. All right, so let's keep all the packaging aside and let's concentrate on the device. Now looking at the front, we have a 18:9 display along with the Full HD Plus resolution. At the top of the device, you have a front camera which is 5 megapixels, just like the Redmi Note 4. Then you have a selfie light, which is a selfie flash, and then finally you have a bunch of sensors. If you look at the right, you have the power and the volume up and volume down button, and to the left you have a dual SIM hybrid SIM tray which can accommodate one SIM card and one micro SD card. Moving to the bottom of the phone, we have one speaker, then we have the micro USB charging port, and then the primary microphone. If you look at the back of the device, you have the 13 megapixel camera which looks like the same unit from the Xiaomi Mi A1, and then we have a dual LED flash, and at the top you have the IR blaster and the secondary microphone and a 3.5mm jack. So talking about the pricing, guys, the 3GB variant with 32GB of internal storage is available for 9,999 rupees, and the 4GB variant with 64GB of internal storage is available for 11,999. And if you like this video, guys, like, share and subscribe, and check the description box for the giveaway that we are running. Once again, thank you for your time. Goodbye.